fish. G is for grape. G gaggle grape. G gaggle grape. G is for grape. H is for hat. Hat. H is for hat. I is for igloo. 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 I is for igloo. J is for jelly. Jelly. J jelly. J is for jelly. K is for kite. 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 K is for kite. L is for lion. 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 L is for lion. M is for monkey. 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 N is for monkey. N is for nest. 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 N is for nest. O is for octopus. 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 O is for octopus.
E is for penguin. 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 E is for penguin.
Q is for green. 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 Q is for green. R is for rainbow. 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 R is for rainbow.
S is for sun. Sun. S is for sun.
T is for tiger. Tiger. T is for tiger.
U is for umbrella. 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 U is for umbrella.
V is for violin. Violin. V is for violin. Who is for whale? Whale. Who is for whale? X is for xylophone. Xylophone. X is for xylophone. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. Y is for yogurt.